Today I'm going to create this type of optional CV in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Go to File and click New and click Blank Documents. Yes, zoom it 100% and go to Layout and click Size. Choose A4 size and go to Orientation and click Landscape and click Margins and then click Narrow and go to Insert menu and then click Shape and click Text box. Click and drag. I write here register number. Click on it and go to a shape format and go to fill and no fill and then click outline, no outline. Done. Move it. Click on outline when info rules display. At that time click on it and right click and copy and paste and change the informations. Name of company, font size 28. Click outline and again right click and copy and paste. Control the address of your company or the organization. I want to write here certificate. Select it and bold. For more attractive, you can change font of this text. Now I take a normal font Calibri. Now I go to Insert menu and click Shape and scroll it and go to Stars and Banner Shape. You will see here the 32 point shapes. I click here and drag, change the color, select it and go to Shape Format and click Fill. Now I want to take this red color, click this yellow point and manage this outline design. Click Shape and go to Shape Format and click Outline and remove outline, no outline. And click this shape and Control C, Control V, Control V. Yes, I have made here 3 shapes. I change the different colors of the shapes. So I take it this yellow color and I take this one dark blue. I make a little small. Again I make a little small. Click the shape and press Control key and press next and then click next. Go to shape format and click object line and click center. Again go to align and click middle align. Now I want to write here some text, so I click this outline of the shape and copy. Click Control V, paste. Change the text. Done. Make this text color dark golden. Click outlines and Control C, Control V. Select it and change the text. Again go to Inserts and click Shapes down arrow and scroll here. I take this flowchart's name is Manual Inputs. Drag here. Go to Shape Format and rotate 90 degrees. Yes. Zoom out little because I want to see the whole face of this document. Drag this shape. Click this shape and go to Shape Format and go to Edit Shape and click Edit Points. First you click this one point. You will see this icons and click here and I want to drag it inside of the shapes. Release the mouse. Again click this point. I pull it and manage the shapes. Again I click here, click no outline. I want to fill in the shapes black colors. Yes, click the outline of the shapes and Control C, copy. Again Control V, paste. Now I want to gradient the shapes, so I click here and right click the shapes and go to Format Shape. Yes, click on the fill, click the gradient fill. We can add and remove the gradient color. Now I want to remove it, so click here and delete it. Again delete. Yes, here is only 2 colors. So I click this sign and click the fill. Now I want to make light blue color and next color I click here and again add choose golden color. We can manage the gradients clicking this point and close it. Drag this shape to give a design. Again, I click here, copy here, and right click and paste. Change the shape's colors. So go to shape and fill. Now I take this the red color of this shapes and drag this area. Align object shift key and click, and then go to shape format and click center line. Again I go to inserts and then click shapes. Now I want to take a rounded rectangle shapes, click and drag and change the color. So I click here and go to shape fill and I take a red color and remove the outline. I want to write this information, so I want to copy now. Ctrl C and click this shape and right click here and add the text and Ctrl V, paste. Select it and go to home and increase the text size. After then click this text, Ctrl C, copy it and then Ctrl V, paste. To move here to make a stylish, select it and change the font. I take this browse script empty, go to inserts and then shape, click line and press shift and drag, go to shape format and outline width. I make a little large. Now I want to take black. Ctrl V, paste one text and drag it here. Write a descriptions. And now I want to write some sample text. So I copy, Ctrl C, paste this information here. Ctrl V, select it and go to home and alignment. I take a justify alignment. Date is July. When two arrows come, at that time press Ctrl key and then you will see the plus sign. At that time click the outline and drag. This way we can make copies, signature, logo, insert company logo. And so click outside and go to insert and click pictures and click the device, choose your locations. My logo is in desktop. I go to desktop. This is my logo. The logo has been gone back of this shape, so click here and go to pictures and wrap text and click in front of text, drag it, bring here signature. Same way I go to inserts, pictures and device. This is the signatures. Again click picture format and click wrap text in front of text, manage it and drag to your destination. Yeah, the certificate is ready. You can see here preview. This way we can make a certificate easily. I hope this tutorial helpful and easy to follow. If you need more certificates to design, check the description of the video. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next tutorial.